hardy. I'm so hardy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so hardy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so hardy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so hardy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so hardy, I can't lie, I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so hardy.
It's quickly wired up now, and the Baturium BMS is hooked up as well, and it's over here right now. There will be 3 more rows underneath here, as the space indicates, and I will be tying in the positive end right there with the same length of cables to everyone, and the negative will be tied in on the top instead, so that should even it up pretty good. Yes, I do have everything on the same end, but there's very low current on this bank, so it should be fine. The wiring is currently very temporarily. The wires that are here will be in the same type of cable holder as I have up in the inverters itself. This battery part is installed finally. It was some time ago since I started this project here. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Today I just quickly went through, and as you can see, I installed the top end. The top end of this bank is somewhere around 10 kilowatt hours, and there will be 3 more. I have all the cells on the bench and I have been using them, but currently, since I did the migration here, I have not used them anymore. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Next time we will be installing a lot more batteries, and we still have the ventilation part to be done for this here. We also need to continue to build the enclosure on the main bank. Thank you and bye.